my jaw pop. Oh. You all heard of the shooting of Breonna Taylor? Wow. I think Kentucky, Louisville, Kentucky, that happened. I'm sorry if I look freaky. There is a moth, a terroristic moth in here. I swear, I've been trying to kill that thing. Me and him. He's gonna die. This video is crazy, sorry. But Breonna Taylor was killed in a shootout. Well, not really a shootout. Supposedly, cops busted in to the apartment where she was living with her boyfriend. Her boyfriend was staying. I don't know really the whole specs on it, but I know what it's cost. Hell. So, this boyfriend was heavy into drugs. I think he got her, like, trafficking drugs and things like that. And so, the police were serving a warrant, from what I understand. There was claim that they did knock for a bit before they went into the apartment. And then, supposedly, the boyfriend opened fire, and the police returned fire, and Breonna was shot and killed in, like, crossfire. Well, a lot of people were calling for justice for that. And wanted the police to be arrested for shooting her, saying she was wrongfully killed. I don't have a major position on this. It's just what's going on. Like, the thing was, the decision on whether to arrest the police or lock up the police that did this, I think it's indict the police that did this, was yesterday. And only one of the cops was charged, and I think it was just a charge of wanton endangerment. Something like that. So, Breonna's family got a $12 million settlement, wrongful death settlement, before that decision was made. This was like the largest settlement ever paid out. This was in Louisville, Kentucky. Not far from me. This whole thing, this whole decision, this whole case has put Louisville into chaos. There are protesters. There are burning down things, vandalizing, looting, the whole area. Buildings are boarded up downtown. Businesses are closed. Businesses are going out of business. It's craziness. Even areas just 15-20 minutes away are boarding up their stores out of precaution, and everybody's closing early. There's a a curfew of 9 o'clock. It's still craziness. Oh, I love starburst, but they get stuck in your teeth, right? Yeah. Like I said, I don't really have a position on it because I don't know the whole specifics of the story, but that's what the details I've heard. It's just gone crazy around here. Luckily not exactly where I live. A little bit of a smaller city, so it's not been bad here. But unfortunately, my kids have an appointment on Monday with their specialist, neurology, told you my kids are epileptic. Those appointments are 6 months. Six months at a time because these people are so busy. And Monday we're supposed to go downtown. Well, guess what? I'm afraid to go downtown. We'll get jumped. Shot. And tangle my kids down there. I'm guessing that's something I'm not gonna end up doing. As much as I got that in my teeth. I'm so rude. Not really. I apologize. Food's gonna get in your teeth. Food's gonna get on your face when you're doing something where you're eating. Look what I got, by the way. Have you seen this? Hershey Reese's. We're gonna give this a go. I just ate some Starburst, but hey, I got them. Snacks. The Reese's part sounds better. Let's go for that. What? Oh, it's melty. Yeah, it's so melted. Oh yeah, melted. Let's see if I can get chocolate on my teeth right now. I guess who's gonna have a stomachache? Me. Okay, so back to the thing. Yeah, so the city's in total chaos. They might call in the National Guard. Because everything's all out of hand. I'm getting destroyed. And then 2 more cops have been shot. Not fatally, but they were shot during the protest. It's a crazy world we're living in, huh? Well, the Reese part's pretty good. You know, I think it's all mixed all the way through. It's melted, but can you see those Reese's in there? Oh, that's not right. I didn't go by the blocks. I didn't, like, snap them. I ate right through that. That's gonna trigger somebody. I actually triggered me. I feel like I need to go back and re-snap it. Get it cold and snap it. I love cold Hershey's. Going way off topic. How about chocolate? Still what I wanted to talk about, but yeah, that's the deal going on really close to me. Have y'all heard of that story? Breonna Taylor. It's caused a lot of craziness. A lot of racial tension. Just madness. And it said the city is on lockdown. 9 o'clock curfew. Stores boarded up. There's this place, this little eatery place, restaurant. I think it was last week that there was these 3 guys sitting out on like the patio eating, and this guy walks up with a Breonna Taylor shirt and guns them down, kills all 3 of them. Wow. That's senseless. What do you call? You're trying to stop violence by doing violence. I don't know. Maybe I shouldn't be talking about this, but you know, it's just, I understand she lost her life, and that is a terrible tragedy. Anybody that lives in their life's a tragedy. Black, white, purple, brown, yellow. I don't know. You know, it's just, yeah, just wanna, you wanna wear a shirt, one of them ones that says be kind, right? Sorry. Late night thoughts, guys. Alright, I'm gonna go now, shut my brain off. You guys take care, like, subscribe.